So it's very important to discuss about the forms of advertising, या classification of advertising, या types of advertising. So these three are one and same. First of all, persuasive advertising. This is most obvious kind of advertising. It should surround in our daily lives, urging us to buy all kinds of products or services. Without persuasive activity, it is hard to imagine how modern society with its mass production and mass consumption could survive. So it is known as hard sell advertising. This kind of advertising persuades people to buy even those things which they do not want. So persuasive advertising is inevitable companion of industrialization. There is no point in having machines if market cannot be found for their output. So it finds the market and keeps the wheel of the industry turning by maintaining demand. But not only industrialization needs advertising. A holiday resort cannot fill its hotel bedrooms, nor can a theatre attract a highly audience without persuasive advertising. Product advertising. To sell a particular product, it is intended to inform the market about it, and the most common type is to create demand of this product, and the advertising or indirect or direct or delayed action of advertising may be harm the product advertising badly. So in direct action of advertising, the seller, he wants quick response to his advertising. So the buyer is urged to take an immediate step as to buy a particular product. So direct advertising is the immediate action on the part of the receiver for whom it is intended. Institutional advertising. So this is designed or aimed to create a proper attitude towards the seller and to build goodwill or image for the advertiser rather than to sell a specific product or service. Institutional advertising, it is done to build good public relations image in the market for the marketer and a patronage for its product or products. Institutional advertising can therefore be a patronage advertising and public relations service advertising. It is aimed at creating a favorable image of the company among the employees, investors, and general public. Public service institutional advertising aims at changing the attitudes or behavior of people to the good of the community or public at large. Now, national and local advertising. Both are sponsored by manufacturer or producer or intend to cover a wide market and different local markets. On the contrary, local advertising is sponsored by a retailer and intended to cover the local public or local market only. Consumer or industrial advertising. It is directed to attract consumers who buy for ultimate consumption. Or industrial advertising is one which is directed to attract industrial users to purchase the product advertised. So object is to create demand for goods which are used by the industries such as spare parts. Now commercial advertising. So commercial advertising, it includes name of business advertising, form of commercial advertising, or Industrial advertising, exclusively selling industrial product. Trade advertising, exclusively for retailers or wholesalers. And professional advertising, exclusively by professionals like doctors, engineers, artists. And farm advertising, exclusively for selling farm products, that is agriculture, implements, fertilizers, insecticides. Non-commercial advertising. Non-commercial advertising, it is undertaken by non-profit organizations like government, charitable, religious institutions to support ideas for raising gifts and donations. Cooperative advertising, it is undertaken by a group of persons, enterprises on cooperative basis such as ACC. Cooperative advertising may be horizontal or vertical and by the group of marketers at the same level in the distribution channel. So a combined promotional effect is made for their goods. So vertical cooperative advertising means the cost or expenses are shared by marketeers at different levels in the distribution channel. Of two, vertical cooperative advertising is the most common. ACC Cement uses this. So rational or emotional advertising, it is explain the rationale of going in for a particular product and emotional feelings of the customers to create demand of a particular product. So these are two, rational and emotional advertising. Intended audience advertising, that means it may be directed towards industrial manufacturers or users, trade or consumers or intermediaries for the effective business exchanges. Now media advertising, that is window dressing, press advertising, outdoor advertising, like that. This type of advertising, it is very popular during this time. So public service advertising, this is generally adopted by some advertising agencies, business organizations or government, central, state, local or service institutions to seek to promote important social issues like drug addiction, blood donation, national integration, female foeticide, handicapped children for health, mass education, like that. So public service advertising should be a thorough understanding of the target group. Financial advertising, it is assumed greater importance these days. So all financial institutions such as banks, unit trusts, building societies, insurance companies, mutual fund investment institutions take the shelter under financial advertising. Public limited companies invite general public to subscribe to the share capital, and promoting capital issues has become a very specialized segment of financial advertising. Service advertising, this is which benefits the offered, which is the benefit or offering to the people by sale. So this is tangible, inseparable, variable and perishable. So hence they require strict quality control, supplier credibility, adaptability and promptness. Because they talk about congenial environment, quickness, promptness of service, economy, status, significance, exclusiveness, reliability and such factors. When advertising their services attract, like hotels, airlines, greater importance to service with smile, courtesy, thoughtfulness, calmness, and they also offer a home away from home, So similarly, travel agencies, so they also use service advertising, which is a popular of today.